June 2026 is packed with incredible celestial events, from bright planetary encounters to meteor showers, and even a rare daytime disappearance of Venus. So, if you love looking up at the night sky, here are the astronomical events you should not miss this month. We begin on June 8th with the last quarter moon. The moon will appear half illuminated and rise around midnight, creating a beautiful view during the early morning hours. This phase is perfect for observing lunar craters because the shadows become more visible. Then, on June 9th, one of the most beautiful events of the month takes place. Venus and Jupiter, the two brightest planets visible in our sky, will appear extremely close together after sunset. Look towards the western horizon about 45 minutes after sunset, and you may see them shining side by side. No telescope is needed. To the naked eye, it will look almost like a pair of glowing stars sharing the same region of the sky. Just one day later, on June 10th, the Arietid meteor shower reaches its peak. This is one of the strongest daytime meteor showers known, but surprisingly, some meteors can be seen before sunrise. The best time to watch is during the final dark hour before dawn. Face east and keep your eyes on the sky. Under ideal conditions, dozens of meteors may streak overhead every hour. Mid-June brings another interesting event. On June 15th, Mercury reaches its greatest eastern elongation. In simple terms, this means Mercury will appear farther away from the Sun in our sky, making it easier to spot after sunset. Mercury is often difficult to see because it stays close to the Sun, so this is one of the best opportunities of the year to observe it. Look low in the western sky shortly after sunset. June 15th also brings the new moon. During a new moon, the moon becomes almost invisible from Earth because the illuminated side faces away from us. For astronomers and astrophotographers, this means darker skies and better conditions for observing faint galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. Now comes one of the rarest events of the month. On June 17th, a thin crescent moon will pass directly in front of Venus, temporarily hiding the planet from view. This is called an occultation. For some regions, especially parts of North and Central America, Venus will suddenly disappear behind the moon and later emerge again. Events like this are uncommon and fascinating because they allow us to witness the precise motions of celestial objects in real time. Moving forward to June 21st, two events occur on the same day. First, we have the first quarter moon, where half of the moon becomes illuminated again. It dominates the evening sky and provides excellent observing opportunities. Second, June 21st marks the June solstice. For the Northern Hemisphere, this is officially the beginning of summer and also the longest day of the year. The sun reaches its highest position in the sky, giving some regions their maximum daylight hours. Meanwhile, in the Southern Hemisphere, winter begins. Towards the end of the month, on June 27th, the June-booted meteor shower reaches peak activity. The bootids are unpredictable. Some years they produce only a few meteors per hour, while in rare cases they suddenly become active and create spectacular displays. The best viewing time is after midnight. Find a dark location away from city lights, look toward the northern sky, and be patient. Then comes one of the most recognizable lunar events. On June 29th, the full moon lights up the entire night sky. This full moon is traditionally called the strawberry moon, a name originating from Native American seasonal traditions linked to strawberry harvesting periods. Although the bright moon reduces visibility of faint stars, it creates beautiful landscapes and photography opportunities. Finally, on June 30th, the world observes Asteroid Day. This event commemorates the Tunguska explosion of 1908, when a massive asteroid-related airburst flattened forests in Siberia. Asteroid Day serves as a reminder that our solar system remains active, dynamic, and occasionally unpredictable. So, June 2026 offers nearly everything an astronomy enthusiast could hope for: bright planets, meteor showers, changing moon phases, a rare occultation, and seasonal transitions. Mark your calendars, set your alarms, and whenever possible, step outside and look up. Because above us, the universe is always putting on a show. And if you enjoy astronomy updates and celestial events, make sure to follow for more skywatching guides. Clear skies and happy stargazing.